What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and today in this video we are creating this YouTube channel banner or channel art, and this will be created with Pixellab. So be sure you watch this video till the end, and at the end of the video I will also show you how you can get the PLP file for this particular design so that you can create it on your own. As always, without wasting any more time, let's roll the intro and start this video. Alright guys, so I'm on my screen right now, and as you can see this is my Pixellab. Open up, and I also added this particular image that you can see on your screen. So this is just a normal image that you will also be getting in the pack and in the description link as well, or also you will get in my Telegram group as well. So if you have not joined, just join that. So this is what I have, and I also set it up this image size that you can see. So this is the image size that you will have to set up if you want to get the particular perfect adjustment or perfect art. So this is what I have this image, so I'm just going to keep it right over here, and I'm going to search for the relative size tool. So I am just going to search it. This is the one. So once you get that one, you will just have to increase it to 100%. Now don't touch anything and go on this particular option and resize it or recenter it to perfectly. Now once that is done, just open your layers and lock this on your place. So don't touch anywhere, just lock it on your place, and this will be a guide where you can see this middle part where the actual design will be visible on all of your platforms. And I'm just going to decrease the opacity of it, so right now it will be like a guide to us to know that where we are designing the particular design. Hope you will understand that by the end of this video, but yeah, this is what we are going to use it, and with this help, with this image we can create a better looking design for the perfect ratio. Let's see, I'm right now changing the color of the background. So by changing the color, I'm changing and adding a gradient of a grayish and white gradient right here. So yeah, if you think that this is too much fast for you guys, then do check out my beginner videos on Pixellab. So right now I've set it up my background to a little bit of grayish gradient. You can't really see it, but it will be visible a little bit. And on top of that, I can also use this image to see and unsee. So that's what we have. Right now I'm going to select a layer, and I'm going to select a circle right here. So we do need a circle. If you have seen the actual design on the thumbnail, we do need circles right here. So I'm just going to select and keep it over here. Right now we have a circle, but we need colors onto that, so we'll add a color palette right now. So yes, you will also get a color palette in the pack, and as I said, you can also get it on Telegram. So just add it over here, then select your circle, select the color option. Let's say go on diamonds tool. So I'm just keeping right over here like a big size. I'm gonna go on diamond right here, and then I'm gonna select the color option. Okay, so I'm going to change the color with the color palette that I have. So I'm just going to click over this point. Then I'm going to find the color palette here, and then I'm just going to select the color with this press. So yeah, I have found this color on my shape, and now I can use it. So I do have one more will add copy one more circle, and then I'm just going to decrease the size of it to create that particular ring, and just I'm going to make it white so that I can keep it on top of this purple circle. And right now, as you can see, this is how it looks like, but we need to keep it create it precisely. So that what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this again, and I'm going to click on these two options again, so that will be perfectly centered. Then I'm going to select the second circle and do the same thing with it. So now these two circles are perfectly aligned. Now I'm going to just search them and merge them in these layers options like this. Click on OK, and this will merge them to an object. So right now we have a circle with the middle part white, and we have a purple circle. So what I'm going to create is erase the white part of it, so only the rare color ring will be available. Thus I'm just going to use tolerance, and as you can see, this is a transparent circle right now. So I'm just going to copy it and create one more layer. So we have two circles right now. I'm going to use this second circle, tap on color, and change the color to the second color of the color palette. So this is what the second color is, and now we have both the colors. So now we can copy it and make multiple rings. Right now I don't really need this color palette, so I'm just going to unvisible it or disable it, and then I'm just going to keep it right like this. So this image that we have, like a half transparent guide, so this will help us know where we want to keep those rings and create the particular pattern so it will look good. So just I'm going to keep over them right here, but also for the sake I will also keep these slides or shapes right like this. So yeah, I'm just going to change the color it to something else. So this will be temporary. This is just to understand how it will look like and make you guys understand that how we are designing this particular design, because it is also about like how you make it perfectly align with the given, like a cropping tool that is available on YouTube. So yeah, that is really hard to explain, but yeah, basically we are creating this particular guide where we have to design a particular design a better way. So yeah, hope you'll understand that. Now I have added these two, and also I will also like see and how this design looks like. So this is the middle part where we'll do an actual design, the particular design, and with respect to that we will make changes to it. Okay, so right now we know that how we want to keep these things. Now I'm gonna add images right here. So my image will be this one, and obviously you can use your own image right here. Just crop it out and make it black and white. So I have this image right here. I'm gonna select colors right now, and I'm gonna select desaturation like -100. And right now I'm gonna adjust the brightness and contrast. So just do it on your own, check it how it looks. Then I'm just gonna keep it right like this. So remember, we have kept one more image for the guide, right? So just make sure you turn on that image, like how does it looks, and is it like perfectly placed. So yes, definitely use that one, and you can make it more better with that. So hopefully you'll understand that. Right now I'm adding it a little bit lower. I'm just going to keep it on top. So this is how it looks like. Now you can see and adjust this image like wherever you want to, and we have a particular guide, so how it will look on, let's say, YouTube. So yeah, this is just basic, and I'm just going to copy one more rings like this. So these rings will be small or big, or this will be like a particular pattern. Also you can also create your own pattern, but I'm just gonna keep them something that they look really good on the design, like the middle part, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we have added more rings. Right now I'm just changing some rings and placements and everything. So do take your time and place your rings in such a way that they look really good. You can also refer my design particularly that how this looks like, but it's up to you. And just keep it right like this. Also this design is inspired by some Instagrammer that I have seen on, like, I follow. So this design is actually like, this is not particular his design, but sometimes he use designs like this and colors like this, and I really like it. So as you can see, with respect to that particular half transparent image, we can know that where we want to place the middle character or the all the elements. So I'm just changing it with respect to that. Okay, so we have placed these rings like this, and we have some space like this. I'm just going to lock some places or some rings so that I can not accidentally move. Now let's get to the text point. Now we have to add a particular text. Now again, you can change and add any text you want, but right now I'm adding this one, and I'm just going to change it right like this. So with respect to what text or what name of the channel that you have, it depends on how you create this typography. So I'm just going to create my particular typography right like this, but also you can get it done and make it on your typography as per your name of the channel. You can also refer my own like design here, and you can just create similar to that. No offense, that will also look good. Now I'm going to select this particular font right like this, and this font will be free if you want to download it, and if you don't really find it, then you can also search for my packs, that font packs available on my Telegram group. So yeah, you will be able to find it. Just search for it. You will also get it on free websites like DaFonts. And right now, as you can see, I'm just making some basic changes to make it look as good as possible. I am having this cut effect, so I'm just going to leave a space right here, and yeah, this is fine right now. So this is how it looks like. More to that, I'm going to change the color to something else. I do have a color that is on my Telegram, like my color template. So yeah, let's see where is my color template is. So this is my color template. Again, I'm gonna go and change the colors. Click on color, select this plus option, select this pen icon, search your color tab palette, and this is your text color. Select OK, hit OK right here, and then you have it. So again, you have your text right here. I'm just going to hide my color palette right like this. Again, I'm gonna unhide it whenever I don't really need it, and I'm gonna check with my image. So as you can see, this is really handy. If you have a particular guide image and you know how it going to look like, you can make a particular design look like this will help you design this particular design in a very good way. Again, I'm going to add and copy one more text right here. You can add anything, like I'm just adding something right here. You can also see in my main design I've added something else, I guess. Yeah, so this is what I'm adding right here. New video every day. You can also select some other font, so I'm just gonna go and select some other font for this like I'm just going to select some random font. Okay, so again guys, there is a video on this channel for fonts. So if you want my all of my fonts, you can search for that video, or if it's not, drop it out. I will also create that font video very soon, so it will have more than 400 fonts for you to download free. So yeah, that will be available on my channel anytime sooner, or maybe it will be up. Again, I'm selected this font and kept it right like this. So meanwhile, I'm talking to you guys about something else. Do keep an eye on what I'm doing on screen. So just added this text right below to create some typography, I guess, and also it looks really good with the subheading. So this is how it looks like right now. The base of the design is actually created, and you can see now you will just add more elements like logo, or you can add a particular PNG. You can add some, like I have added some things right here, so I'm just going to add them right like this. So these are my like social media icons. So this is, you can add, it will make it look more design like appealing and complete. You can fill in the blank space that you have in your design. So these are great. Add some PNGs. You can also search what PNGs look good, like depends on what channel you have. So add those over here and it will look more better. So this is the design guys. As you can, I will leave the rest of the design and the rest of the video with you. Hope you will like this design, and do let me know if you found my PLP file and if you have used it on your channel, and maybe you can send me a screenshot on Instagram. I will also link my Instagram down below. You can do join my Telegram group for all the free stuff that I give away like almost every day. So that will be linked in the description as well. In the description you will also find the PLP file link, or you can find my PLP file on my Telegram again. So yeah, that is something that you can check out. And also subscribe to this channel, as I never said this on this video. So subscribe, like this video if you end up liking this particular content, and let me know what do you think and what do you really want to see in the future videos. For now I will sign off, and I will let you enjoy this. Hope you guys are doing all fine, and this is me signing off. Peace.